So we all know that when you are making a wig, you need to get your wig cap, and I'm going to go with a dummy scalp, and this is a frontal wig. So this video follows almost everything that you need to do when sewing a wig, but there is a little bit difference here. So I'll go ahead and then fix my cap on the mannequin. Always make sure to stretch the back of the cap. This is my frontal, and I'm going to place it on top of the wig cap. Pin everything to lie flat, and then make sure you bring the hair a little bit above the wig cap. So go ahead and then sew everything. I will draw some lines to guide me. These lines are going to help me to sew everything on the wig cap, considering the fact that my hair bundles are not enough. At any starting point of your sewing, make sure you seal it very well, and do same when you are ending your sewing. Lock your thread by tying a knot when you're about to end. And guys, I'm going to cut the excess hair, and this is something I don't usually do when I am sewing my wig. In this video, I did this because of the limited hair that I have. At this point, I am not going to go according to the lines that I have drawn because I needed this part to be thicker than the rest. I am going to space it closely to each other. And I am not going to be doing the cutting method as well. Instead, I'm going to fold it to the next level. So this is the last piece to sew, and I'm going to sew it attached to the lace. Make sure to secure your thread. So I still have some hair, and I'm going to go back to where I left the big spaces and then fill all those parts with hair. Go ahead and cut a wig cap under the frontal lace. So guys, watch my new video and watch how I style this undefined wig. Thank you so much. If you love this video, give me a thumbs up and share this video. Do not forget to subscribe to Ahima. Until then, I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye bye, and take very good care of yourself. I love you.